Hi friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real Path creates victory.
Installation of new Bajaj high-speed ceiling fan. This is Bajaj high-speed ceiling fan with a 2-year warranty. The specialty of this fan is blades are medium length than other ceiling fan. Length of blade is 900 mm. These are the components of new fan. Blade length is average and it is 900 mm. Let's start the installation. Firstly, take two wires with the same length. Push the wires through the down rod. Remove the screw from the motor housing. Fit the down rod like this. Tight the down rod by nut. This yellow single wire is neutral terminal. The below two terminals are phases. One is for clockwise rotation and another one is for anti-clockwise rotation. Connect negative terminal first. Then connect phase terminal. Tight the terminals by screwdriver. Then tight the down rod supported screw. Place the housing cover like this. Then place base cover. Now check the direction of rotation. Connect the terminals into AC 230 voltage socket. Motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction as you look up at it. So this motor gives cooling effect in summer and the phase connection is right. Remove the screws from the motor housing. Fix the blades. Hang the ceiling fan by this hook and tight the nut. Connect these terminals into phase and neutral terminal of wiring. Fan is running high speed with the silent mode. This is the unboxing installation of Bajaj ceiling fan. Thank you for watching this.